Good day, everyone. Today, we will be talking about integrating of language macro skills including listening, speaking, reading, writing, and viewing. But we will be focusing on reading and speaking.
Before we proceed to our topic, so here are our learning outcomes or learning objectives. Explain the key characteristics of effective speaking and reading skills and explain their importance in communication. Analyze story and clearly present its ideas through reading and speaking and demonstrate confidence, respect, and appreciation during oral activities and peer feedback.
So now, when we learn a language, there are five skills that we need to complete in communication. These skills are listening, speaking, reading, writing, and viewing. These five skills of language, also known as the five skills of language learning, allow an individual to comprehend and produce spoken language for proper and effective personal communication. The main skills are all basic and very important. They are called macro skills. Macro skills refers to the primary, key, main, and largest skill set relative to a particular context. It is commonly referred to an English language. Listening and speaking are the brain input skills, but reading and writing are the brain output skills. When we say input skills in language, learning refers to the abilities needed to understand and process language, while output skills refers to the abilities needed to produce language. Now, what is speaking? So speech is an essential form of self-expression and necessary survival skill. Speech can be used, for instance, to warn of danger or counter threats. Language is a tool for communication. We communicate with others to express our ideas and to know others' ideas as well. In primary schools, elocution and recitations are main sources to master the sounds, rhythms, intonation of the language through simple reproduction. Elocution means the skills of clear and expressive speech, especially of distinct pronunciation and articulation. The manifestations of the language in games and pair work activities are encouraging sources to learn to speak the language. This assists the learners to begin to manipulate or control the language by presenting them to a or with a certain amount of choice, able it within fairly controlled situation. So for activities in grades 1 to 3, we have oral rewards comparing a picture or describing storytelling. And for the activities in grades 4 to 6, which are role play, brainstorming, interviews, story completion, and reporting. Now, let's talk about reading. So reading, it is a fundamental skills for learners, not just for learning but for life, with reading being defined as the ability to draw meaning from the printed page and interpret this information appropriately. The fundamental skills of knowledge is reading. When a child reads a picture book with a simple words or blind person reads braille, both are using a powerful educational tool. Reading, it is the process of interpreting written symbols to derive meaning from a text. And it is also a learning skill. It helps you to improve all parts of the English language, including vocabulary, spelling, grammar, and writing. It helps to develop language intuition in the corrected form. Then the brain imitates them, producing similar sentences to express the desired meaning. Language intuition refers to the ability to instinctively grasp and understand aspects of a language. Using skimming or scanning technique to read quickly is highly effective, while reading underlining keywords is a must. So what is skimming? Skimming, it involves quickly glancing over a text to get the main idea or the general understanding of what it is about. It involves looking at headings, subheadings, topic sentences, and any other important information that stands out. While scanning involves searching for specific details or informations within a text. Instead of reading every word, you can scan the text quickly to find keywords, dates, names, or any specific information you are looking for. And that would be all. Thank you.